Madalas lang natin marinig ang mga Pharisees na sinisiraan si Jesus. But in our gospel today, balak na nilang batuhin ang Panginoon. Pero anong ginawa ni Jesus? He challenged them to reflect on the miraculous works He has performed in the Father's name. Madalas sa buhay natin, gusto natin aggressive tayo. Kapag umakto na yung mga nangaaway sa atin, gusto natin agad palagan sila. But the gospel prompts us to consider the prudence of discernment, recognizing the signs of God's presence in our lives and the world around us. Jesus exhibits prudence by withdrawing from the hostile crowd. This teaches us the wisdom of choosing our battles wisely. Ay pagpapakita rin ng pagpaparaya, hindi dahil tinatakbuhan mo, kundi ito ang nararapat. Let us learn from Jesus. He emphasizes the unity between Him and the Father, highlighting the prudence of aligning our will with the Father's will. G ka ba?